Coal arrives at the plant from our docks. At the plant, the coal is crushed and dried to obtain pulverized coal. Nitrogen is used to store the pulverized coal and also to pressurize it for transportation. Coal gas is obtained in the gasifier by adding oxygen to the coal at high temperature and pressure. The coal gas consists mainly of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. At this stage, it still contains various polluting components. These pollutants are removed step by step. Non-combustible elements of the coal come out of the gasifier mainly as slag. The coal gas is combustible and toxic. The gas is cooled in the syngas cooler. The heat released by this process is converted to steam. Fly ash, fine particles that include non-combustible material from the coal, is then removed from the gas in 2 steps. The gas is now cleaned with water. Water-soluble compounds like chlorides and fluorides are removed from the gas. The used water is cleansed in the wastewater treatment plant for reuse. During the following desulfurization, toxic H2S, hydrogen sulfide, is removed from the coal gas. More than 99% of the sulfur extracted from the coal is bonded and converted to pure sulfur for reuse by the chemical industry. A very small proportion of the sulfur enters the air as SO2, sulfur dioxide, via the waste gas combustor. The cleaned coal gas is diluted with nitrogen in the saturator and saturated with water vapor before going on to the gas turbine. This is where the coal gas is combusted to fire the gas turbine. The hot exhaust gases from the turbine are cooled in the heat recovery boiler. The released heat is used to generate steam to drive the steam turbine. The generator, driven by the combined steam and gas turbine, produces the electricity. In the air separation plant, we produce oxygen and nitrogen from the ambient air at very low temperatures. These gases are used in the process, as mentioned earlier. The entire plant is rather like a combination of a gasworks that produces and cleans gas and an electricity generating station that uses the gas. A flare is used to combust any gas that is superfluous to requirements or unsuitable for use in the generating station.